Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now after Hoshinoya Guguan, we are in Taichung. So I'm staying at the Méridien Taichung. At first I'm a little bit concerned because it's an older hotel, but it has gone through renovation. And I booked a one-bedroom suite, and I think they do upgrade me to a bigger suite because according to the floor plan, it looks like this is the biggest suite here. So space is of no issue here. We are so pleasantly surprised. And because of the recent renovation, I do not know how long ago, but it's definitely pretty refreshing to us. You know, the carpet, you know, the light laying, the fixture, the use of the brass element, and then a lot of the circle component in the whole design of this hotel room. This looks a little bit like a karaoke to me, but you know, that's kind of fun. Can have a lot of people sitting here watching TV and having fun, like a party room. So anyway, I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. We are on the 15th floor. So this hotel, you know, although normally for 15th floor you think is not too high, but as you can see in Taichung, 15th floor is pretty high up there. And actually that, you know, where my finger is pointing is actually Taichung train station. So it's within walking distance, like 5 minutes walk over to Taichung train station. So now the train is arriving. Okay, so without further ado, let me do a quick room tour. As I say, the space and everything here is wonderful. We're going to stay here for 3 nights. Okay, so on the right hand side is actually the kettle, the Nespresso coffee machine with 4 capsules, and then the ice bucket. And then this is the mini bar pricing. So let me check out. Okay, here. Okay. Oh, so that's how it opens up. Okay, so that's some water in here. Okay. Okay, and this is the mini bar. Because we are staying in a suite, I was told that the first round of the mini bar is included. So we can consume all this without charge for the first round for our 3-night stay here. Okay, and okay, I'm not sure about the wine. But definitely the snack and everything they say we can consume for the first round. So basically, that's it. So it's well hidden, like this. And inside is the mini bar that I just showed it to you. So, you know, very nice cabinet design here. Okay, so the wooden floor, as I say, you know, I do believe that it has gone through some renovation because it's really, really good, in good condition. And then a very interesting table, you know, with 3 chairs. And then our welcome amenity from the Meridien, you know, for a suite guest, as well as Mirror Bonvoy Platinum. And also I've stayed here before, so they say we'll miss you, so they got my record here as well. Okay, so this is the living room. As I say, a lot of circles. So very interesting. Okay, so where 12 people can be sitting here, you know, watching TV, having fun. Okay, this is a small work desk area that they place some magazines on here with the adapters, everything. Okay, there you go. Okay, now walking in, here is the powder room. Okay, so the Japanese operating style toilet. Again, many circles. Okay, I'm going to close it. And then walking right in, this is the ensuite, the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has the whole panorama window as well. And then with a very cool design sofa that you can sit here. Okay, and then on this side is the king size room with the very nice thick carpet, same color tone, black and white and gold and brass. Pretty cool. Okay, and then there's another television here. And let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so they have a bathtub. Again, you know, this is very new. You'll find it in hotels that just opened within the last couple of years with this kind of design. So they must have redone, you know, the design in a couple of years' time. Okay, so they also use my favorite Dyson hair dryer, and then with the sitting area with even the same pattern of the cushion chair. Okay, and then here's double sink with the big round mirror. And because of sustainability in Taiwan, most of the hotel do not offer you additional vanity kits, but you can request it. Okay, so another toilet. And then on this side, oh wow, it's a huge walk-in bathtub. You know, with the rain shower. Okay, this is their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But you can see how big the place is. You can pretty much sit here. You have a big, good shower. Okay, so basically, I think I've shown you everything. Oh, by the way, this is the walk-in closet with the safe deposit box. And let's see, okay, the slippers here. Okay, the shopping bag is here. Yeah, there's a special exhibition from Snoopy. So we go and do some shopping. And this is the bathrobe. So one in here, one in the washroom. And then, you know, like that's the walk-in area with very fully luggage rack space. Okay. So as I said, we are pleasantly surprised with the space as well as the decor of the Méridien Taichung, which is also very central in location, especially if you're traveling by train. Although we booked the driver and have a car ride over here, which is very convenient as well. And we just went over to Lalaport shopping center, about 10 to 15 minutes walk, passing through the train station and then going the way there. A good size Japanese shopping mall with a lot of restaurants and shops. So in a very key central location, which we like. Okay, so as I say, we're going to be here for 3 nights, but we'll be out most of the time. So I do not know if I will be able to show you the evening cocktail time because we got access from the club lounge, but I'm definitely going to show you our breakfast. Okay, so again, a little bit of advertising. If you haven't followed me yet and enjoy affordable luxury travel like I do, please do so and subscribe to my channel because we travel to a lot of places and hope we can give you some inspiration. So just follow us. We'll see you soon.